me just throw out a whole disclaimer. I am not a sneakerhead. Child, what in the ghetto mess was I doing? Because I had no chance in the world of getting these goddamn shoes. Wanting to wife me up, put a ring on it. This is that makes me happy, okay? This feels so unrealistic. Hold up now. Yeah. Why is this white flaky stuff coming off?
Welcome to my channel.
I'm put on some lip gloss. I'm so nervous. Y'all, I am so nervous. I don't know why I always get nervous when I do unboxings. I don't know if it's just me overthinking the entire process as far as what if the shoe doesn't fit? What if they gave me 2 left feet? But I'm super nervous. And I feel like I just need to calm down. Like, chill. Chill, Bree. Chill. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, you are in for a huge surprise, an exclusive surprise, a limited edition surprise. So thank you again for tuning in to another episode of Bree on TV, where I am your host, Bree. Let me just throw out a whole disclaimer. I am not a sneakerhead. So in regards to this unboxing, I may not pronounce every term correctly. I may not hit all of the details that I feel like other sneakerheads who unboxed this exact shoe talked about. I don't know. But I just want to say I'm not a sneakerhead. But I will try my best to inform y'all on as much information in regards to these shoes as possible. So in today's video, I will be unboxing the Jordan Off-White. I need to get it right. I will be unboxing the Off-White Air Jordan 4s retro sales in women. How'd I do? Okay. This will be an on feet unboxing. You like how I use that sneakerhead term. I found that out when I was watching other reviews from people who had also purchased the shoe. And on feet basically means that not only are you just giving your reviews or your thoughts on a new exclusive shoe or what so be, but you're actually going to be trying on the sneaker. So first, I would like to tell y'all how I even came across the shoe, what made me purchase the shoe, and so forth. I just remember I was on social media and I just seen multiple people posting that in July that they were releasing the Off-White Air Jordan 4s. And I was like, when I first seen it, I was like, oh, these are cute. So basically, I started doing my research. Okay, how much is the shoe going to retail for? Where can I purchase the shoe? Do I have to get a ticket in advance to then come back the day of the release to then get the shoe? Only because I haven't bought a pair of Jordans since college. So like around 2011, I remembered the process a little bit, but I know I needed to be briefed on in 2020, how are they doing things in regards to this shoe. The entire process of me even trying to get my hands on where the shoe was even going to be released was an entire process within itself. Let me throw that in there. I assumed that the Nike store in Lenox would be selling the shoe. Okay, cool. Go up to Nike. They're like, nah. And so then when I went from Nike to Wish ATL, and then when I went to Wish ATL, they told me they were going to be selling the shoe, but I had to enter a drawing on their social media platform.
Bruh.
I was like, yeah, fucked up. Like, I was just like, why can't I just get this shoe? The other 2 options that I had in regards to purchasing the shoe was the sneaker app and lastly, the Off-White website. So I put all my money into the sneaker app. downloaded the sneaker app. When I have my mindset on something, like I have my mindset on something, and I knew for a fact if I wanted these shoes, I was going to get these shoes by any means necessary. The process to purchase the shoe. Day of, I remember like it was yesterday. It was a Saturday. So at 10 o'clock, that's when the link was available for you to click on the shoe to then go ahead with your purchase. Child, what in the ghetto mess was I doing? Because I had no chance in the world of getting these goddamn shoes. Like, I had no chance in the world to actually get this shoe. I just remember I was sitting up there at 10 o'clock, literally like this. This is exactly how I feel like you had to move your fingers to get this goddamn shoe, because it was impossible. It was literally impossible. So I made it as far as choosing my shoe size. My address and everything was already in the system. And then I hit next. And so I'm thinking, uh-oh, Bree, you may got a chance at getting the shoe. So it takes me to the next page, and it's just buffering. And it's just buffering. And it's just buffering. And I was just like, what in the ghetto mess is this? So at that point, I just lost all hope in eventually getting the shoe. Got on social media and realized that nobody else who I knew was able to get the shoe as well. So that actually made me feel a lot better, knowing that nobody else was able to get the shoe as well. But I just still wanted the shoe. I think it was something about how exclusive the shoe was. The shoe and how limited the shoe was. Because if you just try to go to, like, first of all, the Off-Whites aren't even in any shoe stores that you would go into unless you go to a resale shoe store. I don't know too much about StockX. That's why I said I'm not a sneakerhead, so I'm not going to be hitting all the terms correctly in the Q points. But I will say that StockX is a retail shoe website that basically verifies all of the shoes coming in to then resell them. Okay. I feel like I've been talking for too much. Let's just open the shoe and let's just pray that this bad boy fits. Okay, bubble wrap. Jordan 4 Retro Off-White sale from StockX with the price of how much I paid. It's 100% authentic. It's new. Gave me my order number, period. All right. I am so happy. See, like, stuff like this makes me happy. Like, for any nigga wanting to wife me up, put a ring on it, this is that makes me happy, okay? Oh my God. All right, so I will be keeping my shoebox only because look how exclusive and sexy this shoebox looks. So let me take a little video and stuff that the sneakerheads be doing. This feels so unrealistic. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. You. Okay, we are back in action. I had to, you know, give a little snippet to my social media platform. Some things that I forgot to mention is I asked my Instagram. That's why it's very important that you go ahead and follow me on my social media platform because I engage a lot with my followers. I hope I'm doing a good job so far with my unboxing. It is coming from more of a girly standpoint versus like a sneakerhead. So it's definitely going to be an unboxing with a twist of chic and glam. Shipping, I want to say roughly took, it was supposed to take a week. And to be honest, you would have thought I'd have been waiting at the door for these shoes. But I really wasn't. I was just like, I just can't wait until they come. But then again, I did purchase these shoes during the summer months of when I was traveling to all of these Caribbean islands that I was traveling to. And if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my travel vlogs. I am a female solo traveler when I want to be. The burning question is, how much did I, and yes, I say I, because I'm not afraid to let y'all know if somebody out there blesses me and purchasing me something luxury or nice. But when it came down to these shoes, just because of how exclusive they were, and I decided to purchase them, I want to say the day of or the day after of the release date. That is the reason why I spent my own coins in purchasing this shoe, only because y'all know how niggas get. When you ask them to buy you something, sometimes they take a week or two to even take care of the situation, and I ain't have time for that. So I bought these on my own. Me and these bad boys, like, we gonna be stuck to the hip for life. Like, I'm never getting rid of these shoes. I'm not reselling them. I'm gonna have these shoes to the death of me. Let's take out the shoes before we try them on. I just love, see, this is why I purchased new. Like, it has to be new. Like, I just love the aesthetics of just new. Like, look at this. Let's all take this in. Just the clear off-white, you know, wrapping paper. Bruh, like, these are just, oh, god damn. It's like, I don't know, they're just so sexy. See, I don't even know what this is called. I don't know if this is called like a, I know it's not called a label. So that's what I'm like, that's what I mean. Like, I don't know all the proper terms because I'm not a sneakerhead. But I will say these bad boys are sexy though. It's the Air Jordan clear sign for me. Oh. Okay. God damn, how many shoe? Well, I knew it was a lot of shoelaces. Let me not even flex. I knew it came with a lot of shoelaces, but god damn. Look, let me make sure. Oh, and they smell new too. So before I try on the shoes, I do just want to unbox these off-white high top socks. Okay, so these are the off-white socks. Boys, they fit perfect. They fit perfect. Woo-wee. This is a lot of jiggle. And this is a lot of just, it's a lot going on. Child, if I pay a whole band for a shoe, why is this white flaky stuff coming off? Let's talk about how they feel. They fit on my foot like a glove. Like, I'm actually so surprised. So in regards to where I feel like I can wear my off-white sneakers, say I will not be wearing these sneakers all around Atlanta. No, the fuck, sir. I may just wear these to the grocery store or the Target. My favorite store. No, but I will not be wearing these to the mall. But I'm just really excited that I was able to spoil myself and purchase these off-white Jordan 4 sales sneakers in women, size 8, retail for $200. I ended up purchasing them for $1,101.30 from StockX, which is a resale sneaker website. If you have any questions in regards to these shoes, if you feel like I left out some information that you wanted answered, comment below. I do have some more unboxings in store for y'all, so subscribe to my channel. Share this video with anybody who is in the sneaker world. Like this video, and most importantly, turn on your post notifications.